pussy at me, I'm a box with it. $40,000 burger, blood block with you. Let's perform a 69, I'm trying to slog with you. Beat them bitches up, I'm trying hard with you. Touch your body up, don't get hard with you. Let's get fresh.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl JVST Lincoln. Big T in the house. We got, oh look.
Oh yeah, show your plate.
We got jerk chicken pasta.
And we got the original jerk chicken with rice and beans.
Yeah.
And plantain. It's good. The garlic bread isn't soft, so don't bite into it thinking it's soft. I got the jerk chicken, y'all. Gonna take me a bite.
It's crispy.
Yes. That's ASMR.
I just wanna sit there and eat. Y'all wanna start a conversation?
We eating. What we gonna talk about?
What's the point of a Mukbang? You wanna hear y'all smack?
Wait.
Okay. So we're gonna talk about tea. How's school?
School is fun. I don't want to talk about her. She's not a good topic at all. But these plantains are so good.
They are. Okay, so I'm eating what you had earlier, and you eating what I had earlier. So we switched.
So what you like better?
Ooh, I can't decide. I ain't gonna lie, they are both good. Like this pasta is hitting right now, and that food was hitting earlier too.
Yeah, the pasta is really good.
They good with the spice. I like that.
I just put the extra dirt sauce, and honestly, it is really spicy. And I don't think I should have did that.
Exactly.
Austyn said that because she said don't do it.
Austyn on that bet, she feeling herself right now.
Oh, what?
The bet about the door.
Oh my god.
I forgot.
She thought.
We got these little behind forks.
Literally like
These Chinese takeout forks.
oh, it's working though for real.
Y'all just greedy.
Austin's back there hating because she's mad that we're eating now and she wants to eat later.
Like,
Y'all want all of us to eat together.
It's okay.
She's just playing, y'all.
alright, what's the next topic? We getting too quiet.
Bro,
Girl,
Q&A.
whoever
Okay, how about let's do it.
whoever does this first answers it first. Like,
Let's do it
like family
a bet of
feud.
who knows who the most.
Alright, who knows who the most?
I can't. I'm gonna lose.
No,
that.
I gotta. No,
I'm gonna lose that.
no,
girl.
I gotta point
No,
at.
you probably know.
No, I gotta point at
What?
who I think is what. So y'all. So.
We can close our eyes and eat.
Oh yeah.
Okay, we can.
Okay. Who do I think is? Wait, I can't ask my own questions.
Yeah, you can. Cause we gonna see you got questions on our own.
Who do I think is? I don't know. This is hard. I think I gotta just
Yeah,
let
let's pick another.
I'm gonna let a TikTok video play, and I'm gonna. Now don't get.
Oh yeah, and we got mango.
hold on,
I got
say
mango
that.
lemonade. Yeah, we what we got.
mango strawberry lemonade.
It's really good. Go ahead.
What's it called?
What?
That challenge. Who's who?
Who's most likely to have?
Who's most likely to? Okay. Close your stinking eyes. Wait. Okay. So everybody quit. We all quit at who we think, okay? Cause you know where everybody's
You
thinking.
gonna close your eyes too?
Oh, I gotta close my eyes. Alright.
Wait.
Okay, let's start from the beginning.
Most likely to give someone a fake phone number. Most likely to ask for advice, but never listen to it. Most likely to cancel plans at the last minute. Most likely to fall for toxic people. Most likely to laugh in a serious situation.
What? You laugh?
Annoyed super easily. Most likely to choose pasta over people. Most likely to argue with anyone about anything. Most likely to. Most
It's done. This is gonna be funny watching this. Watching
watching
what
it.
everybody said. I know y'all picked me for the anger one.
Oh my god, good job.
Most likely to friend group edition part 2. Most likely to go missing within 15 minutes of going out. Most likely to win the Hunger Games. Most likely to date and marry a celeb. Most likely to say that a music festival was life-changing. Most likely to break their phone the day they get it.
I knew I was great.
Most likely to have the absolute worst playlist. Most likely to have 3 boyfriends at the same time. Most likely to be the first one killed in a horror movie.
Y'all better be pointing at me.
Likely to total their car.
Y'all was pointing at me the whole time? Be honest, I'm not gonna play with none of y'all.
Yeah, you know.
I'm just playing.
Oh my god. You laugh whenever you think something you that's your fault.
Yeah, that's true.
She really do. Like,
Literally love
I give it away.
and they gonna talk about y'all better not be pointing at me. Like,
Cause
she not over there cackling her damn self.
I felt it.
Good man.
I felt it.
Mm. Cause I can do that. That's the thing we hate. I hate when I'm singing a song and somebody trying to sing another song.
Shut up. Oh, we talking about our ex now?
Yeah.
I hate when people want to eat when I'm not eating and they don't want to wait on me to eat because they act like they're so hungry even though we just ate. Eat.
I can't even talk that way.
Nope. Don't even worry about it because y'all dead wrong. Like, now I gotta eat. Y'all know I'm gonna be eating by myself at a point of time tonight. I'm gonna be smacking by myself. Y'all don't care?
I'm gonna eat with you because we're gonna share.
No, we're not. No, y'all better not get out of here. Try to eat out of my plate. I want you to know now y'all better save some of y'all food now. Y'all not getting none of my plate.
Okay, I'll say some of my food.
That's your best bet.
We gonna say my food. Y'all funny.
Move! What? What's going on?
Can't even see your face.
Whatever.
Not that short.
I knew that word.
Did you even connect Netflix yet? Oh, okay.
It's on.
Okay, I was making sure. Where are you going?
I'm getting lit.
Okay.
This boy.
That's the drink you put in the freezer? Ooh, child. We got our daily dose of laughter.
I had the whole trip.
Gabby got to fall asleep any second.
The girl.
Oh my god, Gabby's gonna fall asleep right in this chair where I'm
Right.
fucking her mouth.
Yes. Gabby, you are.
Bro, don't do me like.
No, Gabby go to sleep anywhere.
Anyhow.
I can't deny that.
Anyhow.
Sorry.
You literally go to sleep anyhow.
But not too much.
No matter the weather.
When I be ready to sleep, I'll be ready to sleep. Dang.
Girl,
I ain't waiting on nothing.
but our point is every time.
But you couldn't sleep on the plane? Because you said you was struggling. I don't know how.
That was uncomfortable.
Okay. Also, bring that over here. Where's the man throw down? You're not in it?
Oh. That's fine.
Bitch, don't get you.
You know what? And you know what? In every part, I was in, take that whole part out, and then see how y'all video look. Take every part I was in, take it out, and start them up, make over. Let's see. Too comfortable, my What remote?
Bro.
Now weak.
Weak.
This is really spicy.
It's good though.
It is.
I thought you said it was
something needs to be
linguine.
said because now ultimately
That's not linguine.
What's that is?
This is spaghetti.
That is not spaghetti noodles.
Linguine is the flat one.
That's fettuccine.
Oh.
Maybe it's both.
I used to go rhythm.
Or why?
Oh, it is why next.
That's kind of funny. I couldn't spell liar the other day. I was saying ER.
Look at that. R-Y. How you spell rhythm? Oh, okay.
Y'all are funny.
Love,
And then
I'm fitted to the brim, bro. And I still got half of it left.
Kids, I really get to bring right now.
You want some?
I'm like,
Lick this up.
Okay, twist it real good. It's that little Chinese fork.
see.
Oh, I can't play this. You gonna get copyrighted.
We got a bit.
I gotta go get the other battery. It's gonna die any second.
All right.
Okay, y'all.
Yeah, we done eating. Anyways, thanks for tuning in. Be sure to like, comment, share, subscribe. Tell a friend and tell a friend and tell another friend. And then we gonna be good. We ain't gonna have no beef. It's your girl GABS Teacher Bar. We got
Lincoln.
and girl.
Austyn.
Period. We out. Splat you dig.
I'm trying to get this $135,000 ring and you know the rest. I'm trying to be with you the best. She say yeah cause she the best. I apply pressure to your chest. I beat him with a royal flash. My main bitch she 101. I swear she nothing like the rest. I caught her right on Boulder Crest. Yeah, I told her shout out y'all the buzz.